Transform your BMW 1 Series with these eye-catching sequential blinkers. First, you'll need to carefully remove the original turn signal housing. You'll likely find a few clips holding it in place. Gently pry these open with a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching your paintwork. Once the old housing is out, remove the standard bulb. Now, take your new progressive blinker unit and carefully position it into the empty housing. It should fit snugly. Connecting the new blinkers is where the magic happens. You'll typically have a specific connector that plugs directly into your car's existing wiring harness. Ensure this connection is secure and the pins are properly aligned. For some kits, you might have a small control module. This usually needs to be tapped into specific wires of your car's lighting system. Often the hazard light or regular turn signal wires refer to your specific kit's instructions for the exact connection points, but generally, you'll be splicing into existing wires to provide the sequential signal. With the wiring sorted, gently but firmly press the new progressive blinker unit back into its housing until it clicks securely into place. Make sure it's seated correctly and flush with the bumper. Now for the moment of truth. Turn on your hazard lights or test your turn signals. You should see that smooth, sequential flashing effect. It's a subtle but significant upgrade. Repeat this process for the other side. Congratulations, you've just added a premium, modern touch to your BMW 1 Series.